Hey friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to delete Telegram passkeys. First you'll need to open your Telegram application. Then at the bottom we are going to click on the settings. Then let's click on privacy and security. Here we have one passkey. Let's click on passkeys. Let's remove the passkey by pressing on Google Password Manager. The three dots are there. Then let's click on delete. Once deleted, this passkey can't be used to log in. Don't forget to remove it from your password manager too. So you will need to click on the word delete. Here we have removed the Telegram passkey, and that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please press the like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.